Look at you go, girl. Look at Mama's big girl go. Yeah, I can see you smiling behind that mask. You took you and you're so proud of yourself. Good job. You do so good. I'm so proud of you. Careful. You're doing so good. I'm so proud. Yeah. Good job, big girl. Careful. Oh, you're taking off now, huh? Taking off now, huh? Come on, let's go. Good job. What? What, baby? Come on, you gotta turn this way. That's not our room. We're going this way. Hey, silly girl. That's not our room. We need to go this way. Okay? Come on. No, you gotta leave your mask on, otherwise we gotta go back to the room. Okay, there you go. Good job. Is it in your eyes? Mommy, fix it. Let me see. Mommy, fix it. There you go. Is that better? There you go.